Welcome to the Advocacy Tutor. In this video, we're going to explain how to address judges. We're also going to give a little bit of background about their roles. We'll do this in the form of a poem. If you like our performance, please hit the like and the subscribe buttons. Enjoy.
District judges sit in various courts. I guess that's because they're highly sought. The magistrates, high and county courts are definitely three of their regular haunts. So, how do you address a district judge? Well, judge for a man and judge for a woman. Are district judges legally qualified? Well, yes, of course, that is required.
I'd like to address an anomaly regarding a court steeped in history. The Old Bailey is a famous venue, and the judges there are judges who deal with the most serious crimes like murder, manslaughter, and infanticide. Even though it's a Crown Court, judges are not addressed as they ought. Female judges are called My Lady. Male judges are addressed differently. When you do address a male judge, call him My Lord. This I encourage.
Lay justices are justices of the peace, wise individuals not prone to caprice. They carry out their duties as part-time volunteers, invariably having other careers. They usually sit in twos or threes, reliant on the legal advisor's expertise. When you appear before them in the mags, address the chairperson as Sir or Madam.
Everyone has heard the term Your Honour, but who on earth deserves this moniker? Circuit judges and recorders when sitting in the Crown and the county courts.
High Court judges and justices of appeal. Call them My Lord or My Lady with zeal. They often deal with the most complex cases, deciphering the law with all its nuances. They appear in one of the three divisions. This is where they make their decisions. The King's Bench, the Family, and Chancery is where you will find them, working studiously.
So, the next types of judges are at the top of their game, titans of the law in all but name. These judges sit in the Supreme Court. Address them respectfully, I exhort. The court consists of 12 justices you see, who maintain the standard set by the Appellate Committee. My lord or my lady is what you should say. Say it with confidence, not with dismay.
Now the next type of judge is a little strange. Bear with me, don't disengage. The Honorary Recorder of the City? Let me explain what this means. The Honorary Recorder is a ceremonial role, maintaining links between judiciary and local council. When sitting in this capacity, call the judge Your Honour, whether a he or a she.
I know I've given you a lot to digest, but it's important to know the modes of address. So when you appear in court having prepared thoroughly, address the judge appropriately. To any other judge I may have missed, I apologise for failing to include you on this list, so please don't hesitate to contact me so that I can rectify the omission immediately. Peace.